100% free, without the need for even $1 of expense. This AI has both text-to-video and image-to-video generations. Its outputs are also almost acceptable. Of course, it's currently free, but it might not stay free. So hurry up, because if you're creative, you can create a lot of things with it and make a lot of money from social media with a little luck. Let's not wait to learn about this AI. Just don't forget to like and subscribe. Pixverse is an AI that many people are talking about these days. When we take a look at the samples, we see that very creative and beautiful videos are made with this AI. Pixverse can easily handle big advertising projects that have very high costs and time to create, or it can even produce a short story film well. Of course, to produce a quality video, you have to be careful in choosing the prompt and make the right settings. For example, see this sample of text to video. It's not perfect, but by writing a negative prompt, it managed to guide the AI a bit to get a relatively acceptable output. Or for example, this one that has turned an image into a beautiful video. When you enter the website, you can choose to continue using Discord or the web. If you want to know how it works in the Discord environment, you can click on the link that appears at the top of the page. And if using Discord is a bit difficult for you, you can use the website option. Here you have 3 tabs. The first one shows popular videos for you. The second and third tabs are for videos that you have produced yourself. Click on the Create option and enter the main page. Here you can write your own prompt, and by adding a negative prompt, you can increase the accuracy of your output. By turning on the Inspiring prompt to Dual Clip option, you can create 2 videos and choose between them. From the Style section, you can choose between realistic, anime, or 3D animation. Specify the frame size in the Aspect Ratio section, and after setting the seed, receive your output. Isn't it amazing? It can be said that it does its job well. You can upscale your video or even repeat the generation with the Retry option. Now let's try another prompt. A cute puppy with an anime style. And now the same prompt with a 3D animation style. That's not it. It's more like a human with a lion's body. I repeated this process several times and realized that the video produced by text has less accuracy compared to image to video. You can get better results by adding a picture. So let's go to the image to video section and upload our desired image. Write a prompt. If you want your image to have more movement, you can increase the strength of motion. You can also turn on the HD quality option, but know that it will take more time to process. It seems much better to me, but the more you try, the better results you will get. Hope you enjoy the video. Until next time, stay creative.